So let's talk about Instagram TV. I think that is gonna be a great opportunity to expand creativity. And I'm saying that because as you can see right now, I live in New York. And if you wanna record video, you can record it in landscape mode. But it's gonna be like more helpful if you record it in portrait mode because there's a lot of buildings, and in that way you're gonna get more in the frame of the image, and you're gonna get more buildings into your video. And if you wanna record some nice view, you have to be next to the water like I'm doing right now. You cannot be in the city, so you can get a better picture in the new portrait mode. A lot of people are saying that this new platform is gonna kill YouTube, and I disagree with that. I'm not saying that I'm right, but I disagree with that because YouTube is one of the most visited sites in the internet, and the first one is Google, and Google owns YouTube, so I don't feel like it's gonna be strong enough to compete with YouTube. So, and another thing is that the same comment was brought out with when Facebook tried to integrate videos to their platform, and I feel like more people spend time on Facebook videos, but the thing is I feel like it didn't grow because there's no way to make money in Facebook just with videos. And also it's kind of random because people actually cannot find you, and with YouTube you have the tags, and that helps your video so people can find you. Some people are also thinking to use the same content that they have in YouTube and just transfer that content into Instagram TV. And there's ways to do it. Let's say that you have a landscape video, you can actually put 3 of them, so you can have a portrait video, but it doesn't look that good. Another option is to have one image on top or on the bottom, and the other half you can place your video, and also it looks kind of good, but I don't feel like that's the main goal of this platform. And another thing is you can actually play around with frames and stuff, and try to get your video with images and stuff, but I feel like that's not the main thing to do here. And I'm saying that because right now Instagram is aiming to make everything on mobile, so everyone is holding their phones like this, in portrait mode, so you don't want to switch your phone and watch a video in the new platform, because that's the other option. Some people wanna get the videos from YouTube and put them on Instagram TV, but it loses the purpose of this platform because you don't wanna be switching around the phone landscape or portrait. You just wanna hold it and enjoy whatever you're watching. So I feel like this new platform totally deserves a new content. Don't recycle your old content. I mean, you can do it, but I don't feel like it's good enough. You can actually record on portrait mode, and it's gonna challenge you, and it's gonna inspire you, and you're actually gonna get more shots and new angles and stuff. And if you wanna see some samples of that, you can go to my highlights, and I have videos on portrait mode with some editing on them, music, cuts, jumps, transitions, and all that stuff. I also think that this new platform came out of an idea from the past, or an stolen idea, which was the Snapchat style. and then Instagram created the Instagram stories. But since this platform, you can like it's more like kind of perfectionist. Like you can like create like great pictures, and you can also look for better angles. Like, and there's also a lot of editing on that. And like Snapchat is more like some like playful and I would say random platform, so you don't have to put a lot of thought on the content that you're creating. But in this case, in Instagram, I see a lot of people that are creating like a lot of good videos with a lot of editing on them, music and all that stuff, color grading also. And I feel like people wanted to create more video, but the big challenge was to, like, you cannot place or you cannot upload a video on your stories longer than 15 seconds. And that's the big problem, because if you want to put up a video longer than 15 seconds, you gotta cut it in pieces, and that's more work, and it doesn't look that good because it always has like that little jump between stories. So I feel like Instagram saw that a lot of people were creating like better video, and they had an idea and they move on. And I actually I'm impressed by it, because it's a great opportunity, and a lot of people are gonna make a lot of new stuff. And in that way, I actually myself, I wanted to like make videos in portrait mode, but I didn't want to place them in Instagram stories. But now I feel like I can make more videos in portrait mode with my phone, and put them in the new Instagram TV.